Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Extending the life of your ADT alarm system involves regular maintenance and timely repairs. Monthly, check and clean all sensors, cameras, and other components to ensure they're free from dust and obstructions. Test the system to confirm every part is working correctly, including motion detectors, cameras, and the control panel. Replace batteries annually or as needed in sensors and keypads to prevent faults. Finally, stay informed about software updates from ADT and apply them promptly. By following these maintenance tips, you can help ensure your system operates efficiently for years.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.